Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Audi A6. To begin, locate the Start/Stop button, usually near the gear selector. Press it firmly while holding the brake pedal to start the engine. Next, adjust your seat using the controls on the side and position the steering wheel for optimal comfort and visibility. Finally, find the main MMI control knob in the center console. This is your primary interface. Now, let's explore the MMI infotainment system. Use the central rotary controller to scroll through menus and make selections on the screen. You can easily connect your smartphone using Bluetooth for calls and audio, or plug it in via USB. To get to your destination, simply access the navigation menu and input your desired address or point of interest. Your Audi A6 comes with helpful driving aids. For longer journeys, activate cruise control using the stalk on the steering column to maintain a steady speed. When parking, the vehicle offers various assist features, often with visual and audible cues. Always use the rearview camera, which automatically activates in reverse to ensure clear visibility behind you. Finally, let's personalize your driving experience. Use the climate control panel to set your preferred cabin temperature and fan speed for maximum comfort. Your Audi A6 allows you to save individual driver profiles, remembering seat positions and MMI preferences. Explore the vehicle settings within the MMI to customize everything from lighting to sound, making it truly yours.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.